Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create web apps using AI. You do not need coding skills. It's super easy, and I've generated for you a prompt which makes it even more easier that you're going to be using. So you are welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
To build our agent, we are going to be using the Minax AI agent, but first we need to come up with a project. So I've decided that for today's video, we are going to work on a daily prompt AI social media post generator. And the objective is going to be to create a web app that helps users consistently create a fresh social media content by delivering one AI generated post idea every day. So it's going to include caption and an image prompt. The app should be easy to use, engaging, and trend aware, keeping users coming back daily. Okay. So our core features are going to include the user access, which will be optional, whereby the user can sign up with either their email or their Google account, their Gmail. Okay. So the next option over here is the daily prompt generation. So there is that as well. There is the engagement and retention, design and user experience, suggested tech stack. Then we have the success criteria, then the final instruction to Minimax AI agent. I don't want you to worry about this. I'm going to share it with you guys in the description down below. Feel free to take advantage of it. Okay. So let's head over to Minimax and I'll show you what we are going to be doing. But in this particular case, I want you to first go ahead and highlight everything, this prompt, exactly how it is. If there is specific changes you want to make to it, feel free to do it and personalize it to your own liking. Then click on copy, you head over to Minimax. So to use Minimax, you're obviously going to have to sign up with your Gmail, or you will have to create an account with them, and you can access Minimax via um, agent.minimax.io. This is the particular one that we are going to be using. Okay. Once you come down here, you're going to see this box. Okay. This is where we are going to paste our prompt. But before we get into that, like you can see down here, Minimax currently has an ongoing AI agent challenge, which comes with a prize of $150,000. Okay, so if you want to participate in that, I previously made a video that I've linked in the description down below that shows you step by step how you can join this challenge. And also, watching this video till the end will give you more tips of how to excel in that particular challenge. Okay, so you need to watch this video till the end, then go ahead and take advantage of that challenge as well. Now let's proceed and we input our prompt. So I'm going to paste it over here just like this. Then once you're done, click on this option that says run, give that time. Once it's done running the prompt, it will give you something like this. So it says, does this plan align with your vision for daily prompt? Once you confirm, I will begin execution, starting with the AI service research. So if you like the details, make sure you go through the prompt really well. And if you like the details, all you have to do is to come down here and you click on yes, click on this option of run, then give that time still to see the results that this AI is going to come up with. In my case, the AI wants a super base integration. So I already went through that phase, but if you click on connect as a new user, they'll give you two options to choose from. And you're going to sign up with a Gmail for whichever option you choose to work with. Like you can see, I don't have those details over here. So all I'm going to do is to click on this option that says add more projects. That allowed me to add a new project, and simply I clicked on connect, and right now it's running the whole process. Okay, it has continued, and like you can see, it's still building. So it's done right now, and it says the development team needs API keys for the AI content generation features. Based on the research analysis, I need to collect the most effective API credentials. Okay. So you have two options to choose from: ongoing, get secrets, or not now. So let's click on this option of ongoing, and we see the options we have. So it says get secrets, Gemini API key, stability API key. So for that, what I did is I copied everything just like this. Then I went into my Google Gemini account, like you can see over here. And this is the prompt I gave to Gemini. I simply just said, get secret Gemini API key, stability API key, and then Gemini give me the details over here. So for the Gemini API key, you're going to go to this website, aistudio.google.com, to get the API key. And then for the stability API key, we are going to go to this platform known as platform.stability.ai. So Google Gemini goes in depth to show you how you're actually going to access the API keys for each option. Now for the Gemini API key, you're going to sign in into your Google AI Studio. Then you're going to sign in with your Google account. You click on Get API Key in Google AI Studio. Follow the prompts to create your new API key. Keep your key secure and do not share it. It's best practice to use environment variables to store your key in your projects. Okay. Then for the stability API key, you're going to go to the stability AI developer platform, which is platform.stability.ai. You're going to log in or create an account. You can use your Google account to sign up and get free credits. Navigate the API keys section of your account, generate your copy, uh, generate or copy your API key as with the Gemini key. Store these keys securely and avoid hard coding it in your applications. So let me show you how these platforms actually look like. So this is the Google AI Studio, and all you have to do is to click on this option of create API key or get API key, like you can see over there. Then when we go to stability, this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to click on this option that says API keys. Then once you get those, all you have to do is to copy them. And then you're going to go back to your project. Okay. Then you will paste them over there. Then you will continue. Right now, I've pasted mine already, and the project is still continuing. It's in the process. So we are waiting for the results it's going to provide for us. By the way, guys, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Right now, our project is ready, so we can click on this option to open, but let's first view the settings of this. First option is to remove the Minax watermark. It's a VIP option, but if you want to use it, all you have to do is to drag this button to your right side and you'll have access to the different plans available. Then same goes for the custom domain. All you have to do is to click on this option of connect. Right now, this is the link that we can use from Minax. Just in case you want to delete this website, all you have to do is to click on this option of delete. Okay. So there is also one more option over here that I want to share with you guys. There is an option of share at the top corner of your screen, in the middle actually. So it says share up here, and like you can see, you have an option of copying this link and you can share it with whoever you want, or you can integrate it into your website. Then there is this option of publish to gallery, and once you click on that, there is an option I want to show you over there which says allow others to remix this project. You'll earn 100 credits from each remix. Okay, so if you want to do that, all you have to do is to click on this option of publish. But before we do all of those, let's go ahead and click on open to view our project and we see how it turned out like. So this is what it looks like, and like you can see, we have all the options that we're required for. uh, the user can get in as a guest, they can continue as a guest, they can sign up with email or with Gmail. Okay, so let's continue as a guest. So like you can see, it has brought us to the niche page, and by the way, this is now the interface of what your clients will be receiving. Okay, so you are the user right now. Okay, so you're trying this out as a user. This is what your client views. So they come over here and then go through the different niches available. So they're going to choose a particular one that they want to work with. So let's randomly choose fitness. Let me click on this. Once you're done clicking on that, all you have to do is to come down here and you click on continue. So like you can see right now, it's generating for us a prompt and our prompt is ready. So we have the caption over here. It says Crush Your Fitness Goals today, August 18th, 2025 is your day to shine. Let's get stronger, healthier, and happier together. Fitness motivation, hashtag gym life, hashtag workout Wednesday, hashtag strength training, hashtag healthy lifestyle. That's really good. Then down here, you have an option of copy caption. So down here, it further goes to give us an image prompt to bring the visuals to life. So let's try this prompt over here. We can copy this. We are going to try it in Canva and we see the details we get. Then down here, there is an option of remix for anyone who wants to remix this specific content. Let's try that as well to see what it looks like. So like you can see, once you remix, you have even better options, okay, over here. Okay, we have one more button up here. Let's click on it and we see what it says. So this is a library and it says sign up to save and organize your favorite prompts. So let's click on this option and we see what results we get. Right now, it didn't give us many options, okay, but that's completely okay. If you face any challenge or any mistake in your project and you want to fix it, all you have to do is to come back to your chat and be specific. You tell the AI the problem you're facing, and then you ask it to fix the problem. It will do that for you. In some cases, you can even just highlight and copy the issue or the message you're getting. Then you'll give this AI the feedback straight and it will fix all the problems. Okay. So let's go back and we copy our prompt to test it out. And we are going to be using Canva AI. So let me click on this option over here. So we are going to click on this option of create an image, and then we are going to go ahead and input our prompt over here. So just paste it over there and then you click on submit. Okay, we are going to give that time to see the results that we get. So it says the images generated from that query may not meet our policies. So to use this prompt in Canva, you might need to run it in different chatbots, for example, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to fix it. Or even you can run them in Minax itself. It has a chatbot to fix the prompt. But let's try Google Gemini and we see. I'm on the Gemini interface. This is what it looks like. Let me click on this option of tools, and then we are going to click on this option of images. Okay, let's paste our prompt over here, just like this. And then we are going to click on submit to see if Gemini is going to give us results for our images. Okay, like you can see right now, Gemini is generating for us the image. I'm super excited to see how it turns out like. Okay, something is wrong with my internet connection. Let me refresh that and we see if we will get results with Google Gemini. I really have hope with this one. I believe it's going to give us an image. Like you can see, it says here is the professional fitness photography image you requested, and voila, there you have it. This is our image, and I just want us to view it in a close range, and this is what it looks like. I really think it turned out great. So to use it, all you have to do is to click on this option of download, and it's going to download to your device. That way you'll be able to upload it onto your social media platform. Okay, guys, what do you think of this video? What do you think of this concept? Please let me know in the comment section down below. If you found value in today's video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.